Good morning. This is Mike Flavin, certified senior housing professional with eXp Realty here in Orlando, Florida. I want to welcome you back to the Smarter Senior video series. And this week I'm going to talk about what you should know about insurance. And what I found out in conversation with a lot of the seniors and active adult attendees that they have had some insurance, as an example, car insurance, in place for 10, 20, possibly 30 years. And what I want to share with them is to have an insurance expert there letting them know that they need to get that checked every 2 or every 5 years to make sure that their premiums are realistic and not inflated. So that's one area that I'm concentrating on. The other one is home insurance. Same story. Years ago, it always used to be that you put everything under one umbrella to get the best price. Well, unfortunately, the longer that you have it, the price increases, and there's never really that connection between the agent and you, the client. Therefore, the prices just keep escalating on an annual basis or biannual basis, depending on how you pay your premiums. And there's always changes that happen inevitably. And what we need to do is get those addressed, make sure that we have the right insurance, both for your home and for your car. Another presenter that I usually will have is going to be someone that talks about Medicare and Medicaid. What you should do, depending on your current situation, financial stability in regards to Medicare and what's out there and what's available. And there's all different types of Plan A, Plan B, Plan C, in addition to the regular Medicare, the supplements are Plan A, B, C, etc. And it just depends on what your situation is and what, by having a conversation with a Medicare, Medicaid professional, they'll be able to guide you as to what's going to work best for you when it comes to insurance, especially Medicare, 65 and above. Now, keep in mind, some people who are on Medicare also qualify for Medicaid because they don't have near the assets that are needed to afford some of the prescription drug prices that are out there today. And some people, even though they might have a little bit more money or assets that would disqualify them for getting that benefit for Medicaid and to lower their prescription costs on a monthly basis. Some of them, and it's a conversation that I have one of my presenters talk about, is having them qualify for the Medicaid piece, not wholly the Medicaid piece, but just a portion of it to help them address their high prescription costs. And sometimes what you have to do is put things, additional monies if you have an asset, and it could be $50,000, put that into a pooled blind trust, and then that stays in there. You qualify for discounts on Medicaid prescriptions, and that works out best for everybody. So those are some of the things that I have that I talk about. Insurance, whole life, term, universal insurance. I also have someone talk about that as well, because what I'm finding out, again, is some people who have bought a whole term insurance plan back 40, 50, 60 years ago, they're still paying the premiums on it. And you don't have to do that, especially if you've got cash value that's accumulated over those 30, 40, 50 years. So I want to have the experts there to kind of help people understand some of the insurance products that they have. You don't want to be overinsured, and of course, you don't want to be underinsured, but you want to have what fits best for you to make sure that if anything happens, you do have the proper insurance. So that's going to be a new topic, a new seminar that's coming up, and it's what you should know about insurance. If interested in finding out more about these topics that I present, don't hesitate to call me at 407-340-5291. Again, 407-340-5291. Again, you're watching the Smarter Senior video series, and it's affiliated with the Smarter Senior Seminar series held at the Orange County Library System. Until next time, stay safe, and I look forward to sharing what other topics that I present. Have a great day.